if you want to have complete set of uh, knowledge and complete set of information in a very time and period, please go forward with the app and please start your preparation very nicely. All the team is very helpful. They have a group chat where they will always be available for helping you out. And the questions are mandatory, 100% yes, because there were many questions which came in the exam. And the core concepts building was immensely nice. And keep giving the GTs. It will create you a sense of if you are giving the exam every day, so you'll be very much confident in that.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and Speed Institute to Dr. Shruti Tripathi for scoring a topmost rank of 1488 in Super Speciality entrance exam of NEET 2025 in DM Anesthesia group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you very much, sir.
So I thank you for sparing your valuable time to share your experiences with us and also to the students who are looking into this video.
So it's more than a privilege for me.
Great. Now, can we get to know about you? I mean, your brief background, where you started till date, what all you have done.
Yeah, sure, sir. So I am MD in anesthesiology and critical care. I did my PG from Rama Medical College, Kanpur, and right now I'm working in SRMS Bareilly. And I'm an SR. I work in ICU as well as in OT. So I started my preparation 1 year back with the help of Speed Medical app, and that is how in my preparation I found out that revising from the app was much more easy. It was much more time beneficial for my time also. And with my busy schedule, I had to have something concise as well as the questions, the QBank which were given by the Speed app were much more helpful. So that is how I started with the app. I consulted with my seniors as well and my friends, so they suggested the app.
Great, great, Doctor. So great to know about your great achievement and accomplishments and the work towards the progress. And we wish to know what super specialty you're interested in.
So right now in transplant and cardiac anesthesia. So mostly I'll be heading forward with that branch only, I guess.
Transplant or cardiac?
Yes, so mostly transplant.
Okay, great. So in both are really amazing. Cardiac is little close to our head end, so that we know cardiac anesthetist, and transplant is it's almost the branch, the scope of specialty, that the era of transplant. So, I mean, whatever the way you choose our transplant and our cardiac, I mean, it's too good. And we wish you great success in that. And
Thank
also,
you.
I want to know what, once you decided to do a super specialty in anesthesia, when that idea came to do a super specialty?
So it occurred after when I was preparing for my exams in PG. So we had our HOD ma'am actually. She talked us into doing that, and she was a very great teacher. Along with that, our professors, we had great professors. So one of the professors was heading for with the FRCA exam, and he was mostly the most potent of them all. So he used to make us learn new things always. So in that time duration, I decided that I'll go forward with the super specialty.
Great. And once you decided to do a super specialty from that day, I mean, what are your preparation strategy? How you worked through all that and to reach what you're today?
First of all, sir, I joined a very consistent college, which was मतलब पहले तो मुझे वही I thought कि I have to work nicely in my academics. So I joined here. Afterwards, I started learning from the app. So the concise topics, all the subheadings which were from anesthesia, the super specialty wala modules and all, and the Q banks. So what I decided was I'll start making a routine out of them. So I made a routine with the help of the with the subtopics which were provided in the app only, and started giving concise time to all of them. I started solving GTs also. So in last 2 months, I solved at least 3 to 4 GTs with the help of what I got to know that my weak points, my weak areas. After that, I started giving my time to the weak points also. So just that. And uh, I was like giving mostly the time of the evenings only, because in the daytime I was busy with the hospital work. So yes, that's how.
Great. Wonderful, doctor. Now, how many questions did you attend this exam?
Okay, sir. So mostly I left around 10% of the questions here in the anesthesia wala section. So it was mostly divided into A, B, and C category in the exam. And in all of the sections, around, yeah, I left around 10% of the questions.
Okay. Now, in the paper, what does a PG exit standard or super specialty level?
Sir, it was moderate to tough in the type of the paper was moderate to tough. The categories were divided in those subsections. So the subsections were kind of focused to one kind of topic. For example, one section was focused on the CTVS wala paper, the CTVS specialty, and others were focused on the kind of anesthesia and multimodal specialty and the super specialty, the cardiac sections. So that's all.
Okay, great. Now, what will be your message to the future aspirants of anesthesia group, team anesthesia group?
I really want everybody to know that if you want to have complete set of knowledge and complete set of information in a very time-bound period, please go forward with the app and please start your preparation very nicely. All the team is very helpful. They have a group chat where they will always be available for helping you out. And the questions are mandatory, 100% yes, because there were many questions which came in the exam. And the core concepts building was immensely nice. And keep giving the GTs. It will create you a sense of if you are giving the exam every day, so you'll be very much confident in that.
Very good, doctor. Great. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that from day one till date they stood by you and to help you to what you are today. You can use this platform to do so.
Mostly my parents, my professors, Dr. Vinam Tiwari and Dr. Swati ma'am, and to all the faculty of speed. And each one of my friends who were always pushing and letting me know that yes, I can do it.
Wonderful, doctor. We wish you once again, wish you all the best and all the success for a great
Thank you
career
so
in
much.
a super specialty. And be a cardiac or mean transplant anesthesia, whatever you're going to choose, you're going to do amazing. Wish you all the best and all the success.
Thank you so much. It was great meeting you. Thank you.
Wonderful meeting you, doctor. Thank you.